Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Lamin Juara, a Gambian immigrant in the United States of America for quite a while now. Evidently, I have made one video in the course of this week, trying to find out remedies to be able to resolve an immigration situation, especially in this heated moment in the United States, where aliens or certain class of aliens are having a very hard time when it comes to immigration and nationality. Unfortunately, for some of us, we have families here. We have families here that are part of our life, and our removal will definitely have serious impact on our families being separated, and some of us with medical situations being removed to our countries. We have a very serious threat that we will face when we are removed, because of medical situations are not the same. Medical treatment will not be available, not only in terms of cost, but in terms of technology and in terms of competent hospitals. The list goes on and on. I am not here trying to invent claims or trying to gain publicity, just to be out there making a lot of noise. My reason coming on making a video and trying to post this video is because I am deeply in a very serious trouble due to my situation that I have encountered here in this United States of America. Okay, thank you for your time, and here is my concern for tonight. I want to find out about the provisional waiver for unlawful presence. That is the reason why I want to put this video, trying to gain guidance about statute that has come up with a waiver called the Provisional Waiver for Unlawful Presence for United States citizens' parents under the age of 21 years old. With reference to my first video, another set of this video will be added to make more clarity, to establish a potential ground to be able to stay in the United States. Evidently, I have a felonious assault conviction where I served 6 months, and then it was a plea agreement. I had served 6 months out of desperation, served 6 months, and have 4.5 years of suspended probation, which has been accomplished with no problems. That time I was a single man. I don't have a family, and everything was just like being single. Life have changed. People grow up in life to another segment called family. I have a United States citizen child, but my conviction there's a time that I could go back to court to vacate my conviction or expunge my conviction. I tried doing that a while back, and I was asked to wait until a certain time period that I could go back to court, trying to expunge that conviction that I had, which will be possible according to the judge. I was given a date to go back to court, and right now the situation for immigrants right now, it is a little hard to know exactly what one should do, especially when it looks like nobody will be given a chance to even wait for a long period of time anymore, trying to go back to court to try to expunge a conviction or vacate a conviction that you could not have done in the first place. My question is that I want to know what are the implications of that provisional waiver of inadmissibility, and am I able to file for that provisional waiver with the grounds that at a future date my conviction will be vacated. That way I can be able to start proceedings to adjust my status. Like I said before, I am placed under an order of supervision for 11 years with no problems with the immigration authorities. Every other aspect has been greatly, observed, and evidently, I'm scheduled to go back for my regular check-ins. And that day, inshallah, by the grace of God, it will not be missed. I'll be there. But I am trying to see if I can be able to have that provisional waiver if I'm required, or will I be allowed by law to put in that provisional waiver with the understanding that in a future date any other conviction, prior conviction, will be vacated or will be expunged. And what relevance does that waiver of inadmissibility have in my situation? What relevance does it have as a United States citizen's parent? Thank you.